मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आज का टॉपिक है बकिंघम पाइप थ्योरम। द एफिशिएंसी ईटा ऑफ इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डेंसिटी रो, डायनामिक विस्कोसिटी म्यू ऑफ ए फ्लूइड, एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ओमेगा, डायमीटर डी ऑफ ए रोटर, डिस्चार्ज क्यू। एक्सप्रेस द एफिशिएंसी ईटा is the term of dimensionless parameters. The step first, eta is a function of density rho, dynamic viscosity mu, angular velocity omega, diameter d, and discharge q. Eta is a function of rho, mu, omega, d, q. Rho, mu, omega, d, q is depend on the eta. Second step, variable, dependence and independent. Dependent is eta and independent variable is rho, mu, omega, d, q. The functional relationship between the dependent and independent variable can be written as the function f bracket n eta rho mu omega d q is equal to 0. Step 3, the total number of variable n is equal to 6. Step 4, the dimension of the variables. Efficiency eta is the dimension is m0, m0, l0 and t0. Density rho is equal to mass upon volume is the unit of kg per meter cube is the dimension m to the power 1 l to the power minus 3. Viscosity mu Newton second per meter square is the convert the dimension from m to the power 1 l to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 1. Angular velocity omega radian per second is the dimension is t to the power minus 1. Diameter d is the denoted from m is the dimension from l to the power 1. Discharge q is equal to a into v, area into velocity, is the dimension from l to the power 3 to the power minus 1. Step 5, number of fundamental dimension for this problem. The number of fundamental dimension of this problem is 3. m l t is the m equal to 3. Step 6, the number of pi terms is can be find n minus m. Number of n is the variable 6 and fundamental dimension is 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 is the function of f1 pi 2 pi 3 is equal to 0. Equation number first. Step 7, the first is the geometric property. Geometric property means length, diameter, height. Second, flow property. Flow property is v velocity and omega angular velocity. Third, fluid property. Fluid property means mu dynamic viscosity, rho in density. The first of pi terms, pi 1 is equal to d to the power a1, omega to the power b1, rho to the power c1 into eta. Pi 2 is equal to d to the power a2, omega to the power b2 and rho to the power c2 into mu. And pi 3 is equal to d to the power a3, omega to the power b3, rho to the power c3 into q. The step 8, the first function pi 1 is equal to d to the power a1, omega to the power b1 and rho to the power c1 into eta. Substituting the dimension on both sides. m to the power 0, l to the power 0 and t to the power 0 is equal to l to the power a1, t to the power minus 1, पूरे power b1, m1 l to the power minus 3 to the power c1, m0, l0, t0. The efficiency is the dimension less. m0 0, l0 0 and t0 0 is the power of m comparing the dimension in both sides. c1 is equal to 0. The power of l is equal to a1 minus 3c1. Put the value c1, a1 is not equal to 0. The power of t minus b1 is equal to 0, b1 is equal to 0. Substituting the value of abc in term of pi 1. Put the value in equation first. Pi 1 is equal to d to the power 0, omega to the power 0, rho to the power 0 into eta. So pi 1 is equal to eta. Step 10, same is repeat the function pi 2 is equal to d to the power a2, omega to the power b2 and rho to the power c2 into mu. Substituting the dimension in both sides in this equation is to find the pi 2 is equal to mu upon d square into omega into rho. Same step is 11 is the function of pi 3 root power a3 omega root power b3 and root power c3 into q. Q is the discharge. Substituting the dimension in properties in both sides to find the pi term pi 3 equal to q upon omega d to the power 3. So substituting the value pi 1, pi 2, pi 3 and put the equation first. The function of f1 eta mu d square into omega rho and q upon omega d to the power 3 equal to 0. Eta is a function of phi bracket mu upon d square omega rho and q upon omega into dq. This the dimension property is solve the function is the dimensionless quantity. So eta is a dimensionless quantity. Prove that.